Hey guys, Farrington here with another video. In today's video, I just wanted to do a quick update on my 5700 XT. Now, one of the biggest issues that I've been noticing is I've been checking over the forums on, checking the core and the clock speed and doing the core voltage and, making sure the BIOS is overclocked and things like that. But no matter what I keep doing, just constantly just kept having, AMD drivers just crashing consistently, which was, being quite a bit of an issue. But one thing, after going through, I'd say about a few weeks of a little bit of research, I found out that basically if you just go down here and just go down just slightly, instead of going up to the straight up to the 1800 on the core clock, and that has completely stopped all my crashes on my AMD on the 5700. So it's not that bad, but it took a long time to actually get myself to there. So it's the current hash rate that I'm currently running at. And I'll show you the nice hash as well. So it's running pretty steady at the moment. And let's have a little look over here. So we are also running mono arrow on the Ryzen 5 as well. And as you can see, all the drops that I've actually received have just been because of the driver crashes that I've been trying to work through. But as I say, thankfully at the moment I haven't had one single crash as of the new change on the MSI Afterburner. As I say, you can also do this as well in your profile on here, but I would recommend just doing it straight on your MSI Afterburner. But if I've helped you guys or given you a little bit of support here, make sure you drop us a like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.